Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing the July CurlBox. Now this is my first CurlBox, so I'm super excited to just jump in here and show you guys the product line that I got for this month. I was really interested in getting CurlBox because I feel like it's such a coveted box that a lot of people want to get their hands on, and so many people have been on wait lists for months trying to get the subscription box. So I really wanted to unbox this to show you guys all the products that I got for the month of July and to tell you whether I think it is actually worth getting CurlBox. So let's get right into the video. So when you first open the box, you get these two cards that are telling you about the collection that is in your box. So the product line that is in July's box is the Aveda Nutriplenish line, and I absolutely love the color. It is like a pink coral, which if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know coral and pink are like my colors. They are me. I love them so much. So let's hop into the products and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about each one that's in here. Okay, so just a quick overview of the collection. So this collection has pomegranate seed oil, baobab protein, and sunflower oil. So this is the Deep Moisture Nutriplenish shampoo. I think the size is great. This is 8.5 fluid ounces or 250 ml. I think they gave us the Deep Moisture obviously because this is CurlBox and a lot of people that have curly hair tend to have drier hair. So they wanted to give us the Deep Moisture instead of the Light Moisture to make sure that our hair and our curls were hydrated. So this shampoo is supposed to be extremely hydrating. It says that it has a vegan superfood blend of plant oils and butters like mango and sunflower, and I am gonna smell this to give you guys sort of like a smell test and see how this smells. So this definitely does smell like a high quality shampoo, like something that they would use in a salon, which is really nice. I am smelling a bit of like the mango, but it's a very light scent. It's not too fragrant, which I like. So I feel like I really am gonna enjoy this, and because it does have a blend of oils and butters in it, I feel like it's gonna be really hydrating for my hair and not make my hair feel like straw like after I use it. You guys know that feeling when you rinse out your shampoo and your hair just feels like hay. So next we have the Deep Moisture conditioner. I love the bottle that this comes in. It's a nice squeeze bottle that you can just easily squeeze into your hand. This is also 8.5 fluid ounces. So it says that this conditioner is supposed to act as a moisturizing weekly conditioner, but if you do have thicker hair, this can also act as a leave-in conditioner, which is really nice. So now we're moving on to the actual leave-in that is in this box. So this leave-in is supposed to detangle and protect your hair, and this is actually a spray version. Now I personally think that I'm gonna end up having to use the conditioner as the leave-in and then this as well, but if I can get away with using this spray leave-in just like as my regular leave-in, I'm gonna take it because I am the type of person, and as you can see from my hair, I have to get out of the shower, go get my leave-in, thoroughly put it in, and you know I'm kind of lazy. So if I can get away with just spraying my hair with some leave-in and keeping it moving, your girl's gonna take that opportunity. So I'm definitely excited to try this out as well, and I will make sure to report back if I can get away with using it just as a spray, which I have my doubts, but you never know. And this leave-in conditioner also protects against heat damage. So this is also a nice product to use if you are used to blow drying or diffusing your hair, to just make sure that your hair is protected from any of the heat that you're using. So the last full-size product in this box is the multi-use hair oil, and this oil is supposed to be for all hair types, and this bottle is so cute. I love oil bottles that are like little and small, and they have the little pump, and I also think the pump is great for just being able to control how much oil you're using in your hair. I know for me, when I use oils that are in like squirter bottles or anything like that, I feel like I have a hard time in like controlling how much oil I put in my hair, and I end up weighing my hair down. So this hair oil is a concentrated blend of sunflower oil, avocado, jojoba, argan, safflower, coconut, and pomegranate. So this has a lot of great oils for your hair in it. So I think this is gonna be a great oil to use as like a sealant when you're done doing your hair, or even just for like weekly or even daily use, just to give your hair a little bit more hydration and sort of strength as well. And it says that you can also use this oil as a pre-shampoo treatment or an overnight sealer for your frayed ends. So I know that I have pretty bad split ends, so I think that this would be great for me to use at the ends of my hair. So for the last thing in this box, we got the Nutriplenish shampoo but in the light moisture version, as well as the conditioner in the light moisture version. So this would be great for like travel or even throwing in your gym bag after a workout. So I think it's awesome that they put these samples in the box so that you are able to try a little bit more of a lighter another version as well, and you can also use this when you're on the go. So that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I think this is such a cool concept, and being able to try different hair collections each month. It's really nice also to be able to try a full collection of products, and I feel like oftentimes when you're buying hair products at the store, you don't usually buy a full collection. You may pick up like a conditioner here, a leave-in conditioner here, but being able to try a full product line together is awesome. So I feel like if you're trying to figure out which products work best for you, or you just really like trying new hair products and just want new hair products coming to your door each month, this is a great box for you. I also love that you get 4 full-size products. You get the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in, the hair oil. I feel like it does change collection to collection, brand to brand, so you may not always get like a hair oil, but you may get like maybe like a gel or something. So I'm super excited to see what is in the August box, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video to help support my channel and get my video in the algorithm so that more people can see it. Make sure to comment down below and to subscribe to see me here every Wednesday and Sunday. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking all the details start to sink in.